First of all, I always look forward to come to Japan. I love Japan very much, and especially with my home company, I'm looking forward to come in winter next year to perform The Sleeping Beauty and Onegin. First of all, Onegin is the masterpiece of Krenko, my opinion. He did many masterpieces, but I think Onegin is very, very special. And it's always a pleasure to dance this, and I think the Japanese audience never seen my Lenski, so it will be hopefully first time. Yes, it's a very, very beautiful production with beautiful costumes and sets. It's amazing. I don't want to choose the best thing. There's so many special creations and so many genius did or will do great ballets, so I cannot say which one is best. Each ballet has its very special moments and makes it very special. It's very hard to choose. I like very much Lansky, of course, and the Krenko ballets like Romeo I enjoy also very much. But also I love Albrecht or Siegfried, Swan Lake Giselle, or there's so many ballets I want to dance like Manon and my most favorite season, summertime. I feel much better in summertime. The body for ballet is much easier in summertime than wintertime when it's cold. Everything is more stiff, and in summertime the body condition is much better. I want to say thank you very much for always coming to the shows and your great audience, and thank you for always coming. Bye.